some rough water ahead, so for a safe journey, remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the raft, and be sure to watch your children. Thank you and enjoy your journey. Saludos, amigos. Para sus seguridad, permanezcan sentados con el cinturón bien abrochado y mantengan las manos.
You ready, Bubby? Hold on tight. Honey, this ain't a ride you're going to be able to relax on.
You're going to get wet on this one.
Yeah. Everybody's going to get a little wet.
Let her get him.
I'm not. Honey, this is the biggest ride you've been on yet. Are you ready? Yeah! You're recording all this, aren't you? Yeah.
Oh, now you decide to do it?
Little late now, Tim. I'm gonna laugh if they get even more drenched.
They probably will. They're in his hand.
Tim.
Elizabeth.
Throw him in there.
Here comes the water.
Look. I love that he's the one. Are you ready? All right.
No.
It's gonna be cold.
Oh, now this isn't right. Oh, there we go. I think it's going to start as soon as we get back. Ah! Oh, that was wet.
He wants more.
You can have more. That was cold. Oh, that was not right. You want more, we'll get more.
We're going to get more wet.
There's the truck. I don't want to be this way.
I do.
I don't want to be this way.
I do.
You go right ahead. It's already in my underwear. Uh-oh. Here we go.
Hold on tight.
Oh, crap. I knew it. I knew it. It was going to be us. Here we go, bud.
You all right?
What'd you do with your socks, Tim? Yeah, they're probably wet too.
Are you okay, Bubby? More. The ball says more.
More.
More. Here comes the shower.
Oh no! Crap, that's cold. More.
I think he's enjoying this.
I think he is too. More water, huh?
I remember when we used to spray people right here.
Oh! Why is it always our side? Uh-oh. That's it.
That's it, Bobby.
We're all done.